What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a fuel cap cover from NBR Motorsports. Today we're going to do a review and an install. Alright, so let's get to it.
NBR Motorsport's aluminum fuel cap cover is great for the Subaru VA and VB WRXs.
This is actually really cool. This whole thing. Ooh, nice. Wow, that is nice, guys. STI glow. So check this out, guys. So you have the STI logo right there in the front. In the back, you do have some 3M tape. I don't know if you guys can see it though, but there's gonna be a line right there on top and right there on the bottom. This should be applied to the same for the red as well as the blue one. Alright guys, so this is all it's gonna be. We're just gonna take out the 3M tape right there, and we're just gonna stick it onto the gas cap itself, okay?
Also guys, don't forget to hold on to the cap for about 20 to 30 seconds for a secure fit.
Alright guys, let's test it out. Can't forget the sticker, guys, alright? Alright guys, so that's about does it for today. The valve cover for NBR Motorsports, and of course the decal you gotta rep, you know what I'm saying? So both really good. I'm telling you right now, this made a huge difference. I will say this though, it is pretty cool. It is a pretty cool, nice aesthetic, if you were to ask me. Like I really do believe this makes a bit of a difference, because look at this. Every time we go over here, STI. Honestly, that's pretty cool. Alright, but anyways guys, thanks for watching. Alright, please like, subscribe, and everything. I'll see you soon, alright?